Hey there, everybody, and today we are going to be playing Dark Screen. If you couldn't tell by the noise, please don't touch anything. I am short. Just realized.
Hey! Whew! I need to take a bathroom break. Just stay here for a minute. What? Did you ask what that panel's for? Oh yeah, don't worry about that panel. Just stay here. I'll be right back. And don't touch anything.
Dang it. Gotta grab the... Yeah, I'm spending the first 10 seconds. That actually bounced. Basketball throw. Oh yeah, I forgot I suck at basketball. I'm trying to shoot this one from across the room. Ooh. Oh, actually that worked. Anyway, trash can.
Hey, thanks for picking up all that trash. The station director would fire me on the spot if she saw what a mess this place was. Okay, I'll be back in a minute.
No, you most certainly will not. Because you are, not supposed to be here. That is one ending out of this many. But it's a switch. Yay. I'm gonna grab stamp. Nothing in here. Yeah. Really? A new clue? That's all I could think of. I love mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Dude, I just gotta... I think it was like way over here. Oh, if only I was good at this. Just gonna... Okay, what's the code? 312213. So, 312221. Okay, let's continue. Oh, I got the skin. Didn't actually mean to do that. Can't change the station. That water is death. Kill the circle. Put that back. Just gonna put you back on here. Okay, wait, so the water is death? Boxes can be picked up. Sweet. Okay, I don't think I can. free hamster. Hamster making my choices. So I'm gonna do. No, it's other code. Did I get some? Then wait, give me that. Morse. Oh wow, Morse code. Oh wow. Straight up tells you. No. Certainly is not. Hold your breath, that is not a good thing to hear. Anyway, I'm just gonna, you know. Okay, that's how to do master equation. Yeah, I'm not doing that. What is this? Morse code. Decider. Oh wait, this is the Morse code. Yeah, okay. But either way, I think. Grab your screwdriver, grab your hammer. Those are some good things. Gonna get the hammer. Hammer. So many things I can break with my hammer. City boy. City boom. Screw you. Doing this baby fight. Oh, fight your swimmers. Your shield isn't there. Yeah, I'm right-handed. Dude, come on. Why is the side of my hammer looking better? Dude, I'm basically dead. Screw you. I think my hammer went to the floor. Baby. I'm just gonna. I'm gonna do the wait ending. I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Nope, I'm not pressing anything. So anyway, how's y'all's day? Please do like the video. I just care about likes. Which one? Yeah, I don't care. Either way, please tell me what game you'd like to see play next time. I'm trying to get it so I can play it. The world is your canvas, and I am the person who does it for you. So don't worry. Just gotta wait for this. I would say play rock, paper, scissors, but I don't know if you're cheating. Catch ball. Play catch. Ooh. Dang it, I suck. Do that. Move. Ooh. Oh, I just set up my tree today. I might edit a picture. So I think for the ending I wanted, you have to generally tell me. Well, I'm just gonna sit down.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh my god.
Great, thanks. You really helped me.
Lazy
Sorry it took so long. What's the matter? Worried something might happen? Really? Like what? The apocalypse? You've got to have an education to run this machine.
And I don't, so
Let's
it's
go.
a good thing I haven't. Totally. Yep, give me the ending. Yeah, I totally haven't seen it. Button. More button. No, wait, no more button. Key panel. Flip it this way. Flipped it that way last time. Think it was up, down, down, up. Okay, then it was down, up, down. I don't know where it goes. Just gonna press the buttons. I wonder if I break the machine. How do you give it to give you music? Nice one! I got a stapler. Okay, a key panel. Numbers are moving. I'm allowed 4 flipping numbers. 2. So 1, 2, 1. Why is it crossed up then? Yeah, that's bad. There it is. How riveting. And that gameplay is. Literally have no use for that anymore, so I'm just gonna. There we go. Got anything. Anyway, I'm gonna just put that back in there. I'll call Joshua. Great. So, City Boom. Can I, like, beat the tax machine? Oh, that's how you get the code. You just... Okay, so upside down, that's... Okay, it's much easier if I just do it like this. So correct, it's... this one. No, wait. It's this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah. Okay, good for y'all, I guess. Space Invasion. Okay, I know something has to do with a bunch of things in it. But I mean, I'm just gonna spam the button until I get you. Then, screw this reality, I want my stapler. Taking the stapler, I'm taking the radio. gosh. And you made me ditch my swim deal. Yeah, you're dead. Oh, sorry, made me dizzy. I was actually starting to tip. See, the problem is, I don't know that many endings, so... Huh. Dude, what even is the code to this? Oh yeah, wait, it's green, red, yellow, blue. Just turn this all over. Where as I remembered that. Okay, so no, don't break my fax machine. Okay, how do I get this? Because it's all single digits. So I need to find a single digit only code in this room. 600. That's all single digits technically. Oh wait, but it's gotta be binary. So I need a binary code, 66. That's very cool. Can't undo that. Might as well open this real quick too. Open it everything. What do I want to do? Can I? It's a question I've always wondered. Okay, you can't break that. Okay, great. Well, I guess I could binary something. Okay, so it says Morse. Deep, so low strip. And long strip. No, strip. So Morse. That's Morse code. This is true. Deep. No, let's go with the worst ending. There you go. Real quick. I'm gonna take all of these together. Yep. Yeah, what was that? I had a passport. Wait, stamp? Take this, please. Glory. Yeah. Wait, what if I hit the check marker? Like, what if I let him in? I'll just stare at the screen forever. No, switch it up and deny. Okay, so I can't open. No. Okay, so just checking does nothing. That's good enough for me. Okay, but it's math. Doesn't make sense. I'm in algebra. I'm in valid code. Yeah, I don't know what code I'm going with here. That one. Wait, can I break that one up there? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Anyway, that is not all for today's video. I have more. I will be back. This is just me saying I'm gonna stop recording for a little bit to take a breather.